So what's going on, guys? Master of here, and lots of people are having issues with their Xbox One chat headset mic. Basically, they're saying that it's not working and their friends can only hear them when in party through Connect. Now, the problem here is you use Connect until you seem to get into a actual game. So what you have to do is once you get into a party, you have to get into a game to get your mic to work. Now, this won't be the fix for everyone. Some people will have genuine problems with their mics that needs to be sent back to Microsoft, but this is what me and my friends found to fix it. So what you want to do is you want to snap. So you can either tell the Xbox to snap or go onto the menus like that. You then want to go down to party. And you want to start your own party up.
We lost that round, but we can still win this.
So once the party is loaded, you want to click on to start a party. And then you want to go down to turn on party chat. So now you should see next to my name at the top, there's a little green bit. And basically now, if you have your mic connected and I am in this Call of Duty game here, you will be able to talk through your mic headset and not through Connect. So basically, hopefully that will sort the issue out for you guys. So if you still have issues and you can't hear yourself or your friends can't hear you through your mic headset and they can only hear you through the Connect, then there is a trouble with your mic, but this is the way to get around it if you just basically aren't in the right mode. So make sure you are in a party and then you join a game, and that should resolve the issue for you. So thanks for watching, guys.